Alright mga kapaksit, so Suzuki Ertiga 1.4 K14B engine. So timing mark, so let's get it on. So here the cam loop is like this, okay, and the cam loop here is like this. It is up piston out at the top dead center. Then here the BBT, there's marking here, and the black end chain also here. Black chain and marking, and there's marking here, label at the head, and this side also label at the head. And going to the side, so here's the timing, the black at the chain, and this timing, and the upside timing, this kunya to this.